Hello and welcome to Daily Coding Tips. Today's tip, HTML, Semantic HTML5 elements for accessibility and SEO. Modern web development often leads to div soup, nested divs with generic class names. This creates semantic ambiguity, hindering accessibility, screen readers, and SEO, search engine crawlers. Search engines and assistive technologies struggle to understand page structure. Let's look at a typical website section built using only div elements. Notice how class names attempt to describe the content but lack inherent meaning. This requires extra CSS styling and JS scripting to function correctly. This method provides no inherent meaning to screen readers or search engines. Using semantic HTML5 elements, we replace the div structure with tags that define the meaning of the content. Main, article, header, section, and aside elements provide inherent semantic value. This improves accessibility and SEO and reduces the amount of required CSS. Semantic HTML provides built-in meaning for screen readers. Instead of relying on class names, assistive technologies can understand the role of each element, navigation, main content, article, etc. This significantly improves the user experience for people with disabilities and ensures your site can be easily read by screen readers. Search engines prioritize semantic HTML. Using elements like article, nav, and aside helps search engine crawlers understand your page structure and content, boosting your SEO ranking. They can more efficiently index and categorize your content. For a blog layout, use article for each blog post, aside for sidebar content, categories, or recent posts, and nav for the main navigation menu. This provides clear semantic separation of the main blog content and supporting elements. On an e-commerce product page, wrap the product information in an article. Use aside for related products or promotional offers, and use figure and fig caption for images with captions. This creates a structured, accessible product page. While semantic HTML provides a good foundation, area, accessible, rich internet applications, attributes can further enhance accessibility. Use area attributes to define roles, states, and properties for dynamic elements, or when semantic HTML is insufficient. Combine semantic HTML with microdata, schema.org, to provide even richer information to search engines. Microdata adds structured data to your HTML, helping search engines understand the content and display it more effectively in search results, e.g., rich snippets. Don't force semantic elements where they don't belong. If an element doesn't have inherent semantic meaning, it's better to use a div or span with a descriptive class name. Overusing semantic elements can dilute their value and confuse assistive technologies. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily coding tips and hit the like button if this was helpful.